Hello everyone, this is your girl Ukel Kale. This is the DIY show. Today we're going to be learning how to do the Nigerian pop-off. It's a snack in Nigeria that we love so much, and we don't have a time frame for eating it. We eat it in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night, depend on individual. So now we start with the flour. I'm going to be doing the measurements. Usually I just mix all my ingredients together and do whatever I want to do, and I test it if the sugar or the salt content is enough. But since each individual taste bud is different, we're going to be doing it in a different way. So we're going to start with measurement, and then if you feel the sugar is still little or too much, you reduce it. Thank you very much. We're going to start with the flour, measuring the flour. So this I'm using 1/4 cup because I can't find my half cup. So I'm using the 1/4 cup, and when you measure, you level it as done. Make sure it's leveled. Okay. There is 1/4. So this is it. Second 1/4, which makes it half cup of flour, and then we're measuring the sugar. So let's do this way. This is 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, and this is 3 teaspoon. Please note the sugar intake depend on the individual. If you have a sweet tooth, you add more sugar. If you don't like sugar, you add less. Just depend on individual. So but for me, I love sugar in my snack, so I'm putting more sugar to it. So let's make it 4 so it will taste better. But as we know, it's not advisable to take much sugar because of diabetes. So now we're done with the flour, with the sugar. So now we're here to the yeast. So this is the yeast. Some people mix their yeast with water, but I prefer to mix it with my I prefer mixing my whole ingredient together before I add water to it. That's why I use warm water instead of normal ordinary room temperature water. Just need a little of it. This quantity is actually enough for this. Excuse me, sorry about that. So we need a pinch of salt to give it a different taste. But some people don't actually put salt, though in the market one they put salt inside, and that gives it a unique taste. So I prefer salt. That's the salt is being added. Now I have to mix all the ingredients together. Make sure your ingredients are mixed properly. And you might want to add fresh pepper, and the onion. Some people love it spicy, but I don't like I just like the plain one. So depend on individual too. If you want it spicy, you add pepper to it, you slice it. If you don't want slices in your food, then you blend it with little water and add it to the batter. Is it here? Then this is the warm water. You add little. When you add, you mix. Wash your hand properly. I've washed my hand before I started. I won't be washing it a second time. You add water bit by bit whilst mixing it. We're looking for a consistency that is not too watery and is not too thick. So that's what we are trying to aim at. Okay. As you can see, this is just perfect to me. Just the perfect mixture I want, the texture. the batter, sorry, is perfect. So you keep mixing with your hand. Then when you're done, and when you feel it's all mixed up and it has blended up properly, you cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. But if you actually use water that is very hot, like if you can dip your hand in hot water, you just keep frying immediately. You don't have to wait for 30 minutes. So we covered for 30 minutes. This process allows the yeast to mix with the flour and gives it the enzymes reaction that we want. So for leaving it for about 10 to 30 minutes, it increases the size of the flour and it makes it fluffy. So that's why we have to wait. Thank you very much. The one I've started already, this one is already reacted with the flour, so it's time to fry. Look at how it looks. So time to go to the kitchen and get our puff puff ready. Hello everybody, we're here back again. So this is it after 30 minutes, but this is not the actual one we use. I have to prepare for my family, so I added more flour to it. This is how it looks like when you're done. Fluffy, and so you cut bit and put it just bit by bit. Cut and cut and cut. So this is done. Till you're done with your batter, or till the pot is covered, the frying pan is covered with it, there's no more space to add to it, then you stop. So sometimes you have to actually taste it to know if the sugar content is enough. Yeah, it's perfect. Since it's perfect, let's keep frying. Yes. This is vegetable oil. You put more so it will be deep frying. It's kind of messy, but I don't think about the messiness. I just think about the sweetness of the puff puff when it's ready. Okay, so for now, this is what we should be doing, and after now we check if it's ready. When it's ready, it's going to be brown. Hello everyone, this is the stage we stir. It's coming out well. Oh, so now the puff to be ready in the next 2 minutes. Oh, I'm so happy. Remember to always stir, so it will be half done, or should I say, okay, the right one is actually half cooked. Hello everyone, so this is how it looks. It's ready. So here is our puff-puff. Good to eat. Some people may add chocolate cream to it. Just spread chocolate cream to it, or you eat it like this. But I love it just the way it is. Thank you very much. Till next time.